In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your international debit card abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using an international debit card abroad is extremely simple. This is because most cards will have the feature enabled from the get-go, and you don't have to change anything. For this video, I'm gonna give you general guidelines, but of course, you should check with your specific card issuer. So first, you might need to notify your bank. Depending on the bank or the service that you are using, you will have to enable international payments. So if this is needed, open the mobile app or talk to them over the phone and check to see if your card is allowed to make international transactions. And as long as it is, you will most likely be able to use the card just like you would in any other place. So you will be able to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code for purchases online, or you will be able to swipe or do contactless payments in store. So all that you have to do is use the card normally as long as it has international transactions active. If the card that you have is not authorized for foreign transactions, you will need to look into alternatives. So check to see if they have a different card available or if there is the option to enable this feature on the specific pre-existing card that you have. And also be aware of any possible fees. Foreign transaction fees are typically charged by your bank for converting currency and processing international transactions. So if needed, you can also do a currency exchange before traveling. This way you will be able to get the most out of your money and you won't be presented with any surprise fees. Be aware as well of any ATM fees. Some ATMs may charge a fee for withdrawals, especially if you are using a non-affiliated bank. For security precautions, just monitor your transactions and protect your card. Usually, there is no difference from using a card in your home soil than using it internationally. You just have to make sure that the card offers the option and is authorized for foreign transactions. I hope I was able to help you on how to use international debit card abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.